Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about the trade, what I have done for the day, and Nifty 50 analysis and how all the other index has been performed for the day. So I'll be telling you all of this in this video. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So first, let's talk about the today's trade, what I have done on intraday basis. So today I have traded on Glenmark. Okay. So I have short sold in the morning around 1380. So this was a short selling trade what I have done for the day. So once I short sold at 1380 around 9:28 a.m. in the morning today, you can see here the low made is 1353. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed for the day. So the stock has come down and it has given a good target for the day. So by following my study and the strategy, I have taken my exit by booking almost 10 to 12 points of a target. Okay, and this was the trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy, and there were no indicators used for this trade. Okay, so these are the unique strategy what I have traded upon. And also, if you guys want to learn all these techniques of stock selection and how to make a proper trades with the proper entry and exit point, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well with my years and years of experience. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay. So by being said that, now let's look at Nifty 50 how it has performed for the day. So Nifty 50 today, it has closed in the upper side by gaining 0.77% up. So we can see the pre-open market also looked in a bit of a bullish way today. Advances stocks were 34, declines were 9, and unchanged were 6 stocks. Okay. So even though the market has performed in an upside today, you can see the market has gone up. So from here to here, so the highest point was 24593. So the market was gone up for the day, but the trade what I have took on Glenmark today was toward the short selling side. So this happens because even though if the market is going up, there are some stocks which are falling as well. Okay, so the stock trend also depends sometimes. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if the market is going up, all the stocks will go up, or if the market is coming down, it doesn't mean that all the stock will come down. So sometimes the index trend and also the stock trend also matters. Okay, so this is very important if you are doing in intraday, so you need to know to analyze it in a very simple way. So if you want to learn all these techniques, you can join us today, and I'll be teaching you all these things in a very simple and easy way about stock selection, the perfect entry, how you can make, and the trend find out everything. Okay, and now let's talk about the sectoral indices, how they have performed for the day. So yes, some indices have performed well and some have declined for the day. So if you guys can see, Nifty IT has gained 4.53% up today, and Nifty Media has gained 2.08% up. Okay, and you can see all the other indices were normal, flat for the day, and the most declining one I can see Nifty Reality with 1.50% down for the day. So this is the overall Nifty 50 analysis and performance for the day, how it has performed. Okay, so this was today's analysis, guys. So this was how the trade what I have done for the day, and this is the analysis of the day. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to get the live market support, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I'll be guiding you all these things in details about stock selection and how you can make a good trades, and also you get personal support even in the live market as well. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.